Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hina Zahid, business wani. I belong to Rehan AI Teaching Institute, Lahore campus. Today we are talking about a man who changed the way the world thinks about education. Yes, I am talking about Andreas Schleicher and his powerful TEDx talk use data to build better schools. Andreas Schleicher comes from Germany, from a highly educated and thoughtful family. His parents teach him from a young age that learning is not just about reading books. It is about asking questions, thinking deeply, and staying curiosity. He studies mathematics and physics, but what truly fascinated him was understanding how people learn and how education system can help every child reach their potential. Driven by this passion, Andreas became the mind behind one of the world's most influential education system, PISA, the Program of International Student Assignments. PISA compares the performance of students from different countries and help identify where education is working and where it needs improvement. In his TEDx talk, Andreas shares a vital message that if we truly want to build better schools, we must let data guide us. Too often, education system really on traditional and opinion, but real progress comes when we look carefully and evidence and members. Where students are struggled, where teachers need more support, and how schools can create better learning environment for everyone. Schleicher reminds us that data is not just a collection of numbers, it is mirror of growth. It shows us where we stand and more importantly how we can move forward. He believes that the best schools does not just collect data. They use it wisely to make thoughtful decisions that improve teaching and learning. Through data, we can understand every child's learning journey, their pace, their need, and their strength. This is how we move from traditional education to personalized learning, where every student learns in a way that's right for them. Andreas Schleicher once said, "The quality of an education system cannot exceed the quality of his teachers." He believes that should never be used to punish or label, but to support teachers, improve teachers' methods, and make education fair for all. In the end, Andreas Schleicher leaves us with a beautiful message. The schools of the future will be those that bring together data and empathy, where decisions are not just based on numbers, but on the dream of childs. If we use data with wisdom and compassion, we can build a world where every child has the chance to shine. This is my opinion about this video. I hope you like it. Thank you.